What's up guys, welcome back to ITD channel. Today we will create this beautiful wavy text for an imaginary surfboard shop in Tofino. As you know, Tofino is the city of surf lovers. You can use this wavy text in many of your projects, so if you are ready, let's jump in and open Illustrator and create an artboard. If you are not familiar with Illustrator, you can watch our other tutorials where we explain everything from the basics. First, we need to choose our text tool, which you can do by selecting it from your toolbox or quickly pressing T on your keyboard. After that, before you type, go ahead and pick the font you want to use. In my case, I always filter my selections so it's faster and easier to decide. Now type down the name or your text on the artboard. I want mine to be all capital. After that, you can press Ctrl+Shift+O to create an outline of your text. Make the text a little bigger on your artboard. Now please go ahead and grab your direct selection tool from the toolbox to be able to select the anchor point or segments of your shape. Now select the bottom points and drag them as low as you wish. In some cases like O, when you want to drag, you have to make sure that you will select all the points in and out. Also, you can hold on to Shift while you are dragging down to have your letters aligned and straight. You can go ahead and do that for the rest of the letters. Now, after we are done, go to Object, Envelope Distort, and select Make with Mesh for Envelope Mesh. Bring the row to 4 if you have it set differently and 1 for column, and hit OK. Now with the direct selection tool, select the 2 points of the top of your mesh and drag them in any direction that you wish to have your wave set up. I want my first 2 points to go a little bit to the right and slightly up. Now let's move on to the second row and select the points and drag them slightly down left. Now you can go ahead and do the rest on your own. After you are done creating the wave, please open the object, select Expand, and then press OK. Now here you go, you have it, but if you want to add a photo in there, again go back to the object and hover over the compound path and click Make. You can place your image by going to File and selecting Place or press Ctrl+Shift+P. After you place your image, make sure you will send it behind your text, and you can do that by right-clicking, hovering over a range and selecting Send Back. Next, make sure you select both and right-click and select the Make Clipping Mask option to create your clipping mask. If you wish to move around the image and resize it, you can simply double-click on the image to select the image and apply your changes. And for exiting from the isolate mode, you can press the Escape key on your keyboard. There you have it, but I'm going ahead and finish the design by adding the surf shop at the bottom, and then you can see the final result. Don't forget to like this video please, and if you try this technique, let us know by tagging us. If you have any question, you can comment and we will get back to you.